I'm Erin Zettle. I'm a Family Literacy Center board member and a licensed attorney in the state of Michigan. We're creating these informational videos to help inform our students about certain legal issues. This legal advice is general advice. It isn't addressing any specific legal problem. It's also valid as of March 2024. Laws change all the time. So what happens when you're at work and your work is requiring you to do a training or a meeting that's unpaid? The problem is that that's a really big question. We get this question all the time. And the answer is, I don't know, because it involves so many different facets. What training was it? Is that part of your contract? Was it a brand new thing at work? Were you actually being paid but you didn't know it? However, we do know some things are not okay. And these things come up a lot in jobs that tend to be kind of scammy. And a lot of these are pyramid scheme sales jobs. We won't name any names, but if you go to a place and they tell you that you can make $1,000 a week selling these amazing fill in the blank knives, vacuums, storage containers, all you have to do is do these 12 hours of totally unpaid training and buy this kit and this uniform and this decal for your car. And then you can go out and you can make all this money all the time. That is a scammy job. And you at that point are not an employee. You are an independent contractor. #bossbabe. And those #bossbabes, all those independent contractors, that's not an unpaid required meeting or training. That's part of being an independent contractor. You have to pay for things in order to progress as an independent contractor. If you're a cleaning lady, you have to pay for your own vacuum. You might have to pay for your own transportation. It's different when it's happening at a Taco Bell or a Walmart. And again, those are questions that are a little harder to parse because they require so many more details. But if you are in a job, interview, application process, anything like that, and they start telling you that you need to do 20, 30 hours of training and you won't get paid for that, and then you need to go on shadowing and you won't get paid for that either, and then you need to buy a kit and you won't get paid for that either, those are a lot of red flags for really scammy jobs. And at that point, you should walk. Because there are plenty of regular real jobs where you'll get a regular real paycheck and they won't require you to put 40 or 50 or 60 hours of your own time in before you see that real paycheck. So when you start seeing things where you have to pay to get paid, or they start telling you you're gonna make so much money you won't know what to do with it, or if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. So, another standard lawyer disclaimer, this isn't specific legal advice. If you have a legal problem, or if you think that your work is making you do things that are unpaid and they shouldn't be, or required and they shouldn't be, consult an attorney. Most attorneys have free legal consultations.